Hair fall. All of us are worried about hair fall. I don't think there is anybody who is not worried about hair fall. Not because hair is one of the most important organ in our body or a part of our body. Can't recollect anything that hair can do except make you look good. Hair is always cosmetic. It not only makes you look good, but it also makes you feel good. Only the one who doesn't have hair can know how it makes you feel. Those who are fortunate to have enough hair don't know what it feels not to have enough hair, right? So all of us tend to lose hair at some point or the other. The fact is we all lose hair and we keep getting new hair. That's how it works. We keep getting new hair, we keep losing old hair. But it's always in a balance. As long as it is in a balance, you don't have any problem, no complaints. The moment the hair growth is okay, but the hair fall is way too much, that is when it begins to become scanty. That is when you start seeing hair on your pillow, hair after you take a shower, hair on your comb, hair everywhere. There are people who come to me with a handful of hair, bunch full of hair, and say, this is how much I've lost in a day. Do you have any idea how many hair do you lose per day? Take a wild guess. According to the textbook, we lose about 150 hair a day, hair follicles a day. Well, that's quite a lot. Let's not even get there. If you're able to minimize that, you should be good, because you always have hair which is growing. It is the hair fall which is up that is making it scanty. We need to bring it down to here. So you get desperate, you see hair fall, and then you're worried about why am I losing hair? Particularly now, these days, the children, they start hair in their 18, 19, they start losing hair. They start getting bald when they are in their early 20s, which was never heard of before. Whatever be the reason, let's not get into it. It's a big discussion. What can you do when you have hair fall? Well, you get worried, you go to the dermatologist, he'll put you on a lot of medications, he'll put you on multivitamins, he'll give you steroids, he'll give you minoxidil. These medicines do control hair to some extent, but they do have their own lot of side effects. Then you go further, then you go in for hair transplant, then you go hair replacement, whatever therapies and all that. You spend a whole lot of money, you spend a lot of time, and you go through the whole journey, and at the end of it, you're back to square one again. Everybody's story. What can we do about hair fall? We get a lot of cases of hair fall, and we've been able to successfully help them. Now, how are we able to help them? My thing is, we have hair growth, we have hair fall. Your hair fall here, that's why you're having a problem. I will give you medicines to stop your hair fall. I will bring it down to a balance. So what happens, whatever hair is coming will stay. So your volume will pick up. It will not go back to what it was before. Don't even dream of it. Nothing is going to get you back to what it used to be. I can help you retain what you have. I can help you not to lose any further hair. I can make it stable. I can increase the volume of hair. This is done by a combination of medicines which are given internally. We also have a hair spray which we have seen to be very, very useful in a lot of people. To cut it short, the fact is that we've been able to help thousands of people with hair fall control their hair fall, stop their hair fall, not go back to what it was before, but retain what you have for sure. Takes about 2 to 3 months for the hair fall to stop. In severe cases, it might take longer, but we have definitely been able to help a lot of people. Whatever be the reason for hair fall, there are various reasons for hair fall. One of the most common reasons is hereditary. It runs in the family. If your father is losing hair, the son will lose hair. If the mother has got a scanty scalp, the daughter will reach there. But we can help you reach there later, not earlier in life. We can reach the son, reach there later, not so much early in life. It could be hormonal, it could be stress, it could be dandruff, it could be the water. Whatever be the reason for your hair fall, we address that particular reason by giving you medicines internally, not externally. That's where homeopathy, the beauty of homeopathy is basically that we correct what is wrong within the body so that outside you will feel the effect of it. So most people who got mild to moderate, they respond in 2 to 3 months. Severe, they take more than 3 months to respond. Keep continuing for some time till you're satisfied that you're not losing any further hair, and we can help you. What can you do? First of all, you need to detach from your hair fall. It's not the most important thing in life. I understand a 20-year-old guy is going bald. is worried about it. But we get 40, 50-year-old people worried about it. Hair is not what makes you intelligent. Hair is not what makes you a loving person. Hair is not what makes you the fantastic person that you are. That is you. Hair adds glamour to it. But the more you are attached to your hair, the more you tend to lose. The more you are worried about your hair fall, the more you will lose hair. That's how it works. It's all right. Leave it alone. Ignore it. It will stop falling. That's what I've seen. Start taking medication. What else can you do? I know people who are so desperate. They try every medicines available in the world. They will finally have a little bit of hair on their head, but they'll have issues with their kidney. They'll have issues with their liver, with their stomach. Is it worth it? Homeopathy is a very safe way for you to control your hair fall, retain your hair fall, take care of your hair fall. We are there to help you. Don't worry, start on these medications and we can definitely take care of your hair. Take care.